Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can fully relax without any distractions. Sit or lie down in a way that feels comfortable to you. When you're ready, gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in, inhaling slowly and deeply through your nose. Hold your breath for a moment at the top, and then exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Allow your body to settle with each breath. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any weight or worries that have been on your mind today. Allow yourself to simply be present in this moment, fully here and now. With every breath you take, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Feel the warmth of your breath bringing you peace, grounding you in this moment. Now, let's begin by relaxing your body, starting at the top of your head. With each breath, feel a gentle wave of relaxation flowing down through your body. Focus on your scalp and your forehead, releasing any tension. Let your face soften and your jaw unclench. Relax the muscles around your eyes and your temples. Now, move your attention to your neck and shoulders. With each breath, imagine these areas becoming warm and relaxed. Let go of any tightness in your neck. Feel your shoulders slowly dropping, releasing any stress they may be holding. Move down your arms, all the way to your hands and fingers. Feel your arms growing heavy with relaxation. Now bring your awareness to your chest. With each inhale, feel your chest expanding with warmth, and as you exhale, allow any tension in your chest to melt away. Let your breath deepen and to become more fluid. Focus on your stomach, abdomen, and lower back. Let your stomach soften and feel the muscles of your back loosening. Feel your hips and legs becoming completely relaxed. Allow your legs to sink deeper into the surface beneath you, feeling the support of the earth. Finally, bring your awareness to your feet. Feel them relax, letting go of any remaining tension. With each breath, feel your entire body becoming heavier, deeply grounded, and completely at ease. Now that your body is relaxed, let's create a space of deep inner peace. Imagine a beautiful, serene place. It might be a tranquil forest, a peaceful beach, a soft meadow, or any place where you feel completely safe, calm, and relaxed. Picture yourself in this space, feeling completely at ease. The air is fresh, warm, and comforting. You are surrounded by the beauty and stillness of this sacred place. In this safe space, you are free from all stress, free from any worries, and free to be yourself. There is nothing here but peace, love, and comfort. Now gently bring your awareness to any fears or anxieties that you may be holding. These fears could be related to specific situations, uncertainties about the future, or even fears about yourself. Without judgment, simply acknowledge these fears. They are a natural part of being human. See them for what they are, not as something that defines you, but as feelings or thoughts that you can choose to release. They are not permanent. They are temporary visitors in your mind. Know that it's okay to feel fear. It is only a feeling, not your reality. Now I want you to focus on your heart. Visualize a small, warm light glowing softly within your chest. This is your inner courage, the power that resides within you, always available, always ready to rise when needed. With every breath you take, feel this light growing stronger. It begins to expand, filling your chest with warmth, strength, and confidence. See this light becoming brighter with each breath, growing larger, spreading throughout your body, and illuminating every cell. This light is your courage. It is fearless, it is strong, and it is part of who you are. With each breath, feel this courage filling you, pushing out the fear, transforming it into strength, confidence, and peace. Now visualize this light surrounding the fears you have been holding. See this light touching the dark clouds of fear, dissolving them, transforming them into something lighter, softer, and more manageable. Watch as the light from your courage transforms the fear into clarity and strength. Feel the fear melting away, replaced by the brilliant warmth and power of your courage. Know that this courage is always within you, always available, and always ready to take the place of fear. With each breath, your courage becomes stronger, more unshakable, and more radiant. Now let's strengthen your inner courage further with some affirmations. As you continue to breathe deeply and relax, repeat the following affirmations to yourself. Fear does not define me. I am given only what I am capable of handling. I choose faith over fear. In my heart lies the courage to conquer all fears. Feel the truth of these affirmations. Allow them to sink deeply into your subconscious mind. You are powerful, you are resilient, and you are courageous. Now, picture yourself in a situation that might normally bring fear. It could be a challenge in your life, something that would usually make you feel anxious or uncertain. Visualize yourself in this situation, but this time, see yourself standing tall, strong, and completely at ease. You are calm, composed, and fearless. Your courage flows through you, guiding your actions. You move forward with grace and confidence. The fear that once held you back is gone, replaced by a deep sense of trust in yourself and your abilities. See yourself handling the situation with ease, making decisions with clarity, and taking action with confidence. You are powerful. You are unstoppable. Nothing can stand in the way of your courage. As you bask in the light of your courage, take a moment to feel the strength within you. Feel the unshakable power that comes from knowing you are in control of your thoughts and emotions. You are capable of facing any challenge that comes your way. There is nothing you cannot handle. Know that this courage is always within you. Whenever fear arises, you have the power to replace it with courage. Whenever you feel doubt or hesitation, you can return to this place of strength, knowing that you have everything within you to move forward with confidence. Now take a few deep breaths, slowly bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing life back into your body. Stretch your arms and legs, feeling refreshed and invigorated by the courage within you. The word courage comes from the Latin word cor, meaning heart, and evolved into the French word courage. This reminds us that true courage is not only a mental strength, but also a strength of the heart. The heart is the center of our bravery, where our most courageous decisions are made, driven by love, compassion, and inner truth. So, when you act with courage, know that you are listening to and following the wisdom of your heart. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying with you the strength and confidence that you are capable of facing anything with the guidance of your heart. You are fearless. You are in full control of yourself. You have chosen faith over fear. Use this meditation whenever you need to release fear and embrace your courage. You are always stronger than any challenge that may come your way. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. May you continue to walk in peace, love, and wisdom. If you liked this meditation, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for more calming and empowering sessions. Namaste.